now, tour guide? Where are we? Ah,
It is my house in my car, but
what? What? Where are we?
what?
Which place? What place is this?
About Amamos. That's all Amamos.
Oh.
It is my Amamos, like it is mommy,
Mm.
and this my grandpa.
Grandpa?
Yeah.
So where are we going now after the reunion?
Is that your mom?
Yeah,
Is that mommy?
I'm your mommy. What's my name?
Mommy.
What's my name? I'm Hazel.
Are you Hazel?
Yeah, how about you? What's your name?
And Elsa.
You're not Ciel?
Yes, so.
You are Ciel Elsa.
Yeah.
Elsa with? You are Ciel Elsa with?
Hey,
Yeah,
I'm mommy.
you are mommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You, Charlie.
I am Shelly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, mommy.
Yeah. I have this one, my grandpa. That's my grandpa.
Where's grandpa? Where's your grandpa?
They're in my car.
Daddy Ped is in the other car.
Yeah. And there's my little grandpa in car.
Who? Who? Who is your?
There's
That's your daddy. It's not grandpa.
what?
Is daddy looks like grandpa?
No.
Huh? Is daddy not Pogi?
But it is bogey.
Oh, Pogi.
Daddy is still daddy pet. It always like a daddy pet, like a grandma, like a drum.
Who is Pogi? Daddy Ped or daddy?
Daddy?
Daddy RJ?
No, it's not daddy. RJ. It's daddy.
It's only daddy.
That's daddy bogey.
Daddy Pogi. How about Daddy Ped?
But daddy is bogey.
Daddy Pogi. Okay.
That's not